Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dominic.
And Kwame right here. How you doing?
Today we are going to talk about probably the number one question that I get asked, probably at least top 5 questions. How to start a business with no money. Dominic, I have no money. Do you get it as well?
I get it too, Kwame. I got no money. How do I start off? How do I make my business? I've got nothing to start with. My bills is killing me.
Like,
No capital.
The easiest way to start a business, in my opinion, is to probably use a side hustle to fund your actual business or allow you to save some money. Because if you don't have any money, it's because you have a job that's literally just covering your bills.
That's right.
And it doesn't leave you with a disposable income to invest in a business.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not gonna lie and say to you, oh, you can start a business and make a killing online by following this link and signing up to this. It's BS. It's BS, right?
BS.
Absolute BS. You need money to make some element of money, or you need a huge audience to make some money. So how to start a business with no money is reduce your outgoings where you can, save some money so you can invest. So let's say, for example, there's a simple scenario of buying a product from China, from Asia, or whatever that you're going to rebrand to go and sell. You go and sell it, you're going to either have to sell it online or in person. If you already have a job, you have no time to go and sell it in person. So you need to sell it online. So then you're going to need to go and get a website. So you might use Blue Hosting, you might use WordPress, you might use Wix. You might sign up to one of these to get your hosting and to get your platform. That's going to cost money. But it's not that expensive.
Not a lot though.
It's not a lot. But then you need to start marketing it and building your brand around it. So you need an element of money at some part during that period.
Yeah.
So the easiest way to start is maybe use a side hustle, and there's tons of side hustle videos that I've created that will be on this channel and you can see, and that Kwame has created as well. So just
In
type
fact,
it in.
we had the fire side hustle one that was posted not long
So
ago.
use a side hustle to save some money, and then invest into what you need. If you need a camera, if you need a laptop, or if you need to buy your product. So use your side hustle, or get another job, or get a job to make some money. Like, you know what I mean?
You need to work.
Yeah, you need some money.
There needs to be that initial input. I mean, Dom, look, when I started my recruitment company, I literally just purchased a laptop for like £200. I got a SIM-only contract, which was costing me £15 a month. It gave me unlimited calls, which, you know, in certain businesses, you've got to be banging out the phone calls. We've got social media now, which is a great marketing tool. That one, you can make a business account for absolutely no cost there. And like Dom said, yeah, a website. I think I spent about £200 on my website. I think a lot of people are so excited about making that $1 million pound looking website. The fact of the matter is, when you're starting off in business, you're going to change it so many times. You're going to upgrade. So just get the content out there. Give a platform for people to, a URL they can link onto, jump onto to get your product. I mean, look, a mobile contract, 60 quid a month. Actually, if you get SIM only and you pop it into your old mobile, £15 a month. You've got your website, that's 200 quid to make it. And then you're literally just knocking out calls. You're going to networking events, which you can go to for free, building your audience. You jump back on your SIM only, and you know all the numbers you collected on Saturday at the Excel Center, you're now spending Monday to Wednesday just calling and arranging for meetings. I mean, that's very low cost to start off on.
And I mean, as you said, Kwame, like literally what you want to do is you just want to start, because you can't try and be a perfectionist. Like, I mean, I started this YouTube channel with an iPhone, which I'm using right now, but I'm already now invested in new equipment. It's an investment, if that makes sense. People sometimes see social media as being, oh, it's free, so I don't need any money to start a business. You know, there's tons of people who have created, made a lot of money through social media, but they've also invested. They've run ads, or they've upgraded their equipment on YouTube, or they've invested in lighting and stuff like that. Like, I mean, actually, it is an investment.
They're not telling you as much as we're telling you.
Some of them are not.
They're not telling you as much as we're telling you. You're just seeing a video and thinking, great. And what Dom just explained there is, even in producing the content, there's a certain element of investment that you have to do. And like you said at the beginning, you have to spend money to make money.
In this room, there's lighting. That's an investment.
Absolutely.
You know, there's a tripod. That's investment.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But what you'll realize is that in your business, you can, yes, use your own savings or your money from friends and family, or whatever to invest in your business. But it doesn't have to be like, 10K. You can start with what you have.
Absolutely.
So the important bit is to start what you have. If you look at the journey of brands like Airbnb, their original website was basic. If you look at Facebook, which most of us know of, it wasn't even called Facebook. It was called like myfacebook.com.
That's right.
And the website was crap. But version 2 came out, version 3, version 5. I don't even know what version they're on now, but probably version 3000, right?
Yeah.
I was changing so much, right? What happens is it gets better over time. So the important thing is you just start. And then use your money and reinvest in your company. Use your side hustle. You make $1,000 from your side hustle. Put £200 in, put £500 in. Then next month, invest in some marketing. Next month, pay for that workshop, meet that contact. And then you meet that contact, then you collaborate, then you do a giveaway, then you build up awareness. And then next minute, you've grown a business that's generating another £1,000 or 2,000. And then putting them all together, you're making 5K and you're like, whoa, this is good money all of a sudden.
There you go. You see that people are paying big money to see a business coach just to get that information dropped right there. I want to add to it as well. When you are certain business platforms that you're making may require staff, and a lot of people are like, right, how do I accumulate enough money to pay the member of staff? Because remember, whether they're making sales or not, if you've got staff, you have to pay them come the end of the month.
Is that a permanent member of staff or is that a contractor?
Right. That's the point. That's the point right there. They don't need to be a member of staff. That's another way to zero down on your costs or to minimize it. Get them to contract. Find someone who's a specialist in that. So for example, if we could find, we're doing YouTube videos here, we could actually go and find someone who's a specialist photographer or filmmaker. And the money that we make off the business we've got, we then pay them a commission from the sales from that. So we don't necessarily have to hire them. And there are tons of people out there who are self-employed, sole proprietors, and they're just looking for opportunities to work. Some are even looking for freebies so they actually can have a portfolio of work.
Experience. I've had that before. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, obviously try and maintain that they keep your branding and your quality.
Yeah.
But you can actually get people out there, workshops, training modules, get people who are specialists in their field, get them to go out and deliver, and then you both split the profit that you make from the business put out there.
Amazing. So how to start a business with no money. You've just heard the blueprint. Go make some money from a job or a side hustle. Use your savings and reinvest. Go and get crowdsourcing. You can do all these things. There's tons of venture capitalists out there as well. We'll probably touch on another topic. But what you want to do is you just need to pump in some money and start with what you have.
Yep.
Just get going.
Just start. Boom.
Hope you like this video. Subscribe, drop a like if you liked it, a thumbs up, a comment, whatever you want to do. Hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Hit us up. Peace.
Boom.